Okay, so this is, did I press go? Yes. This is the box of the order that I placed before we left on our adventure. And I know, I can remember one major thing that's in here. It's quite a heavy box. And look at this little saying they put on here. Your kitchen's new BFF is here. Yep, I love that. I love that. So I'm thinking that the main item in this box is going to be something that I can replace one of my older pieces with. I have a really old roasting pan that I think has, you know, seen better days. And frankly, I would much prefer a red enameled pan in my cupboard too. So that's why I just love the red enameled stuff, and I went for it. And I'm so glad that I did, because it was only available in February, and so I grabbed it. Oh, okay. I don't know what that is yet. What's this? Oh, I guess it's a, this is a coated knife. So this is a coated chef knife, and it goes with one of the items that I purchased. Finally, I remembered that I have wanted this for a while, and I didn't order it because I already had a coated chef knife. They come together, these two pieces. So I thought, well, I don't need a second coated chef knife. And then my lovely upline Jody reminded me that if I leave it unopened, then I can probably give this away as a gift to anyone who books a party or something like that. So I'm gonna hang on to this, and I will use my first chef knife with this. This is the Close and Cut. So basically what I can do with this is to put in a piece of raw meat without even having to touch it. And you put it in the center of these two lid things. I'm gonna take it right out and show you. You put it in the center, you squish it down, and then you run your knife in here. And it allows you to slice a meat or butterfly, a chicken breast, in a very, very easy way without having to touch the raw meat. I have some kind of a squeamish kind of issue with that. So yes, I have a hang up. So I'm very excited for this Close and Cut. And I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, because my cupboard is very, very limited here in this little house, but I'm super excited for that. Okay, what's in here? I have no idea. Oh, okay, so this is a silicone resealable bag, and this is for the multi-cooker. And what it allows you to do is sous vide cooking in the multi-cooker. So it's kind of got a zipper inside, and so it closes and seals tightly, and you drop it into the multi-cooker with the preheated water. So that's really important. You can't just drop it in and expect it to cook. The water has to preheat first. Then you open the lid and you put your bag in with your chicken or your meat or whatever it is that you want to cook in the sous vide style. And so I've only done one sous vide thing so far, and that was the little egg bites, and I loved them. That was in the little egg bite container with the 7 egg bites in it. And so this, I'm hoping, will be something new for us to try, and I'm sure we're going to enjoy sous vide cooking. Tell me if you've ever done any sous vide cooking. I want to hear from you about that. Okay, here is the quick cooker. Oh, this is a little pan that fits inside the multi-cooker. They use the word quick cooker on here, but that was their old unit. So this fits in the multi-cooker, and it means that you could bake a cheesecake or something in there. So I'm sure there's recipes for this, and I'm excited for this as well. It's a beautiful coated pan, and it's a lovely little size too. So if you're having company and maybe there's 4 of you instead of 6 or 8 of you, this is a really nice size to use for a cake or a mini dessert. So this is very, very cool for me. Something I was looking forward to as well. And what else have I got in here? This is the quick cooker wire cradle. Okay, so I think this supports I do not know what this does yet, but I will find out. Yes, it's an adventure. My whole life is like this, another adventure in the making. Citrus press. Okay, this is fantastic too because I tried to get juice out of a lemon not too long ago, and I really struggled with the on the traditional little saucer thing with the cone inside it to turn and twist the lemon. That is very hard for me because I have pain in my hands, and my wrists and forearms often hurt as well. I just don't have the strength that I used to have there. So I am hoping that this citrus press is something a little easier for me to use because it employs leverage instead of brute force. Basically, it's metal, it's not plastic, so I think that this is going to be something I'm definitely going to enjoy trying. So you just drop your half of a lemon or orange in here and squeeze it over your jar, so or over your container that you want to catch the juice in. So I'm excited about that as well. And here finally is the pièce de résistance. I have been dreaming about this piece for quite some time. And I know that they come and go from the catalog, so I really jumped on getting it when they were here in February. So here it is. I'm gonna kick this box out of the way and grab my trusty little knife. This is the red enamel cookware that I have wanted for quite some time. And it's a very deep roasting pot. I didn't go for the frying pan because I already have a frying pan that's red, and I already have a braising pan that's red as well. So this, and they're not by Pampered Chef, by the way, they're by other companies. I think one is a President's Choice, and I love that, the braiser, and the other, the frying pan, which I make Dutch babies in, for instance, is something I found at the Bay. So this I am thrilled to get finally. And here is my red enameled bakeware piece. There it is. Look how big it is. It's so deep and it's very, very heavy. And I'm so excited. Woo, woo, woo. Has a lid in here as well. So I can hardly wait to see what recipes they are going to have for me to use in this beautiful unit. The handle is quite substantial, as the lid is quite heavy as well. So this is the Dutch oven, and I'm really, really, really looking forward to using this. Thanks for following along again. I hope you might have seen something that you're interested in. Unfortunately, I don't think you can get this any longer. Oh, it's quite heavy. You know what? I didn't go to the gym today. So there's my workout for the day. Anyway, great to have you on here. Thank you again for being part of my group, and love to you all. Bye for now.